Blog on Wix tutorial for beginners, how to create blog using Wix. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this software to create our own blog page. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do. They provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can use a lot of different templates so we can create our blog easily. In order to get started, we need to visit our website wix.com. As you can see, this is our start page. We have like get started button right up here or in the central part. Also, they have some information in the top of the screen, so if you're interested, you can of course read it. Also, there is like the paid plans, but we'll discover it a little bit later. So let's click on get started and we'll come to our registration page where we can continue using it with Gmail or Facebook, or we can create our own account. So I'd like to continue with Gmail. Basically, this is the most suitable as for me, I guess. So we'll come to our home page here. As you can see in the top of the screen, we have like some folders with My Sites, Explore, Help, and Hire Professional. In this case, we're going to use only the first folder, which is called My Sites. As you can see, we have the option to create a new site right up here. Also, I wanted to say that in the right top corner, there is like our personal information where we can manage our billing history and so on. So sometimes it could be also helpful. So let's click on create new website. And after the small update, now we need to answer for some of the questions. So what kind of website are you creating? Of course, let it be blog, because it helps us to customize our like own creating web page. So here we can decide what type of blog would we like to create. I didn't decide yet, so I'll just click on next and we'll create it a little bit later. So what would you like to call your website? Let's call it like the name of our channel, so you can like name it as you need. So let's click on next, and after that, basically what do you want to add to your website? Basically you can choose anything you need, but in this case I'm just going to use only blog here, so I'll just click on next because we'll create it like a little bit later. So we can click on start designing your site. We can begin with a template here or get a custom built site. So in order to create it from scratch, you can use get a custom built site. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can we use templates. We can customize or add some other pages, so it will be easier to begin with a template as for us. So let's click on begin with the template, and here we are on this page, blog website templates. As you can see, there is a lot of different categories like personal blog, food and travel, news and business, art, fashion, beauty, sport, wellness, or podcast. So basically you need to decide what category would you like to use. So I'd like to use something from personal blog here, and they provide us a lot of different templates, at least 2 pages here, as you can see. So we can find what is really suitable as for me. I think this one is pretty good, so we can click on view to recognize how does it looks like. So it looks like this. Basically I think that it's cool as for me, so I'll just click on edit this page, and it may take a little time until everything will be like downloaded and uploaded to our session. So we may take for a little, but be patient. It's really important to make it everything is okay. While it's uploading, we can discover the paid plans. As you can see, we have like 4 options we can buy: VIP plan, unlimited, combo, or we can just click on connect the domain. You can find the differences right up here. So if you're interested in working with Wix for a long time, I suggest you to use like unlimited plan, only 17 euros per month. So in a few seconds everything is done, and as you can see, this is our editing page. In the left side there is like our main menu with add elements area, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, or my businesses, media, and content manager. So in order to add some elements to our website, we just simply use this one, add some sections here. But basically let's get started from the beginning. So what can we find here? In the central part we can find the object of our website, so we can click on every single part here and we can customize every single thing. So for example, firstly let's change the name of these of our like website. We can click on edit text here and we can write everything we want. I'd like to name it like my channel name, so we can simply change the themes. We can change the font if we need, of course. We can change the position of the text, of course. Everything everything is customized. If I didn't show something in this tutorial, you can try to find it by yourself. So we can also add some like effects, characters and line spacing and so on. So we can also like add the animation, for example, if you like to add like this, or do some other stuff, maybe like this one. We can also add some linked elements and so on. So the next step I'm going to do is just to add some photos. Basically, we can use it, like download it from our computer, or just change it from stock. So in your case, you need to upload your own photos, of course. So as you can see, we can find a lot of stuff here. For example, this button, which is like linked to somewhere, which leads us to blog and the current window and so on. So we can lead it to the next page. As you can see in the left top corner, we have like page, so we can switch between different pages here. Our website contains from like pages which is called home, blog, about and resources. And basically on these blog pages we can find blog, of course, and like post pages where we can swipe. So here we are on our post, as you can see. So this is how does it our post looks like. So we can customize it, or we can add a new post. So it's pretty simple like to create, and that's it. So when everything is done, when everything is customized like you would like to use, we can just simply click on publish, and our website will be successfully published. As you can see, now we have like our own website online, so we can view it easily. This is our website. As you can see, this is a link of this website, so we can just simply click somewhere. So as you can see, it works, and it's pretty cool as for me that like Wix provides us the opportunity to use it. We can just simply click on done, and after that we can go to our home page here. If you click on Wix icon, we'll come to our page, as you can see. So this is how our blog settings looks like. So here we have like a home, activity, site app, blog. So we can, for example, create a new post here, or manage our post from this page here. So basically our managing page is right up here. So we can just click on create a new post, and a new post will be successfully created. So after that we'll be able to click on publish, and the post will be successfully added to our like website. There is like also options to customize, add something, settings, CEO, and so on. So this is a way of how can we add different posts to our like a personal blog. So moreover, if we go to my websites here, we can find a lot of stuff here. We can manage the website, so we can click on more and see some actions we can do, like move to trash, move to folder, duplicate, add collaborators, change owner, or do some other stuff. So basically this is a way of how can we create our blog on Wix. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.